MI Auto Times, we want our readers to learn about all GMC Michigan vehicles, such as the GMC Sierra 1500. Everything examined, nothing overlooked. The GMC Sierra 1500 has a V6 and V8 options with E85 flex fuel capability for better fuel economy. Highlighted features for the Sierra 1500 include navigation system, DVD entertainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and rear view camera system. Learn more about the GMC Sierra 1500 by visiting our dealership ratings section to find a local dealer in your area.